YT, what's happening, man? Back with another video. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I posted. I supposed to been dropping the mine back to back because I had a lot of cars, man, that I had did, and really couldn't really just post every one that I had because I had lost my phone or whatnot. Well, I lost the footage that I had in my phone, so all that's gone. But I'm just gonna hit y'all with some new back to back now. But yeah, like I say, man, we in 4th quarter pressure right now. And we got this dually right here, 96 dually. And we put a panoramic in it. Like I say, I couldn't go step for step on this one because, you know, I really couldn't video the process. But yeah, man, I just want y'all to check this thing out. I got a 2018 Audi Q5 roof in here. Got this thing up in here, man. I'm finna get in and finish putting all the interior pieces back in now. I really didn't get a chance to touch it today. Yesterday I just welded it in. But y'all see that thing is up in there. It's gonna be pretty much a short video, just straight to the point. Just wanted to show y'all that roof, and like I say, I didn't have a whole process or whatnot because I lost footage and stuff like that. So just wanted to make a quick little video, show y'all the roof or whatnot. So I just still gotta wire everything up. Gotta wire this thing up and put the drain plugs and stuff like that in. Finish the little body work up top. Yeah, man. One touch custom, man. We getting it in and getting it out. On this old 96 dually. At first, you know what I'm saying, I was talking it over with my partner. And we was gonna end up putting an SRX roof in here. Cadillac SRX roof. Like I say, I had right before I had got this truck, I had his photo colors in. And I knocked his colors out, and he had the SRX roof in there, and somebody filled up the whole car for us, the whole roof and stuff like that. But I actually think this roof right here was bigger than the X. I think it is. I know it's bigger than it because I had the same roof in my Prezan, and yeah, and it's the one. I say 454 Vortex truck, pretty much all original. All original, man. Like I say, when you do weld these roofs in and stuff like that, make sure you take the batteries and stuff like that off, man. Battery cables off, because you will ruin the computer. You will ruin the computer or whatnot. And you have a whole other job to do. But yeah. And I'm about to get ready to go to the paint shop on this one. About to go ahead and do another color on it. Take the flop off. Go with another color. Like I say, so everything really was perfect how everything worked out, because you know what I'm saying, he wanted to go ahead and get it painted right after this. But like I said, I just wanted to show y'all this video, man. It's gonna be real quick. Nothing too long. I wanted to show y'all that roof. Like I say, I'm still not done. But I'm gonna be done in 1 minute. You know what I'm saying? Like for probably like another day. I'm gonna have everything out the way. Have that thing right. Oh, hold on. Got something. Got something coming in too. Yeah, put that. Got something coming in. So So yeah, I'm about to get in and talk business over with my partner, man. He already got the sunroof in here. Like I said, I'm about to install this CTSV, not CTSV, but the regular CTS panoramic in a 73 Eldorado. So y'all just stay loaded, man. And I got another panoramic. That's just for anybody who need one put in their car. I got that one right there ready for you. But like I say, man, I'm gonna get up out. I'm just gonna tell y'all to like, share, and subscribe and whatnot. But y'all just, you know what I'm saying, just sign back in with me in a minute. And I'll keep y'all posted, man.